Some plants thrived, some died. But even these failures taught us something new about gardening in the Japanese countryside.
Oh look, there's a pepper here.
Our first year gardening here was a humbling experience. New to the southern climate, and without the right equipment, we quickly lost the battle against the weeds. Our second garden gave us more food, but also more chaos. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning visitor, welcome back. I'm Mika, this is Jessie, and this is our dog Pancake. And we're Canadians living in what was once a Nakia, one of Japan's many abandoned homes. This is our third serious attempt at gardening, and it's been our most successful yet. It felt like we were finally adapting to our land and not just reacting to it. Here are the lessons we have learned so far about gardening in the Japanese countryside. The first lesson was simple. In this community, sharing in one's harvest is the norm. Every garden chat on the roadside means you'll usually leave with a bundle of fresh vegetables tucked under your arm. But planting the same crops meant that we all faced the same problem. This year, with everyone's cucumbers abundant, nobody could give away their surplus fast enough. Instead of waste, we embraced our kitchen instincts, transforming the bounty into familiar yet fresh dishes. We started with fresh pickled cucumber in salt. Then dill pickles, the spicy variety we haven't quite found in our local grocery stores. And a fresh, cold cucumber salad with harusame noodles, accompanied by a savory sesame oil and soy sauce dressing. This garden also taught us how important it is to stay rooted. But when you do leave, staying connected doesn't always have to be a hassle. And this is where I want to thank today's sponsor, Saily. Saily is an app-based eSIM that gives you instant internet access in over 200 countries. There's no physical SIM card. Just download the app, choose your destination, and activate your plan. With some data plans, you either get too much data that you'll never use or not enough. But with Saily, you get the most flexible option out of all of them. You just have to download the app, and then you choose your plan directly through there, and then you can update it while you're traveling. Whether you're visiting one country or 10, Saily's global and regional plans let you stay connected with one flexible eSIM. Plus, no roaming charges, so no surprise bills when you get back from your trip. You can top up your data anytime, switch plans mid-trip, and stay online even off the beaten path. That's good. If you think that you're running low on data, all you have to do is go into the app, and you can top it up right from there. All Saley eSIMs are compatible with iOS and Android devices. If your device isn't compatible, Saley offers a full refund. So if you're looking for a really flexible data plan while you're traveling, be sure to go to saley.com/MyGoMika, or you can download the app. But just make sure you use my MyGoMika code at checkout, because that will get you 15% off your plan. Should we go for a walkie? Penny. Pen. Oh, should we go for a walkie? Yeah, let's go for a walk. Okay.
Little frogs. Tiny little guys.
In this summer climate, nothing quite flourishes like our Goya bitter melon. Known for its infamous bitterness, Goya is definitely a love it or hate it kind of vegetable. Yet, we found that embracing this unpopular choice can also be a win. Oops. It was the one vegetable we always had lots of. Because only a few people wanted it, all we had to do was develop a taste for it ourselves. I personally love making Goya champuru, a quick, flavorful stir-fry with tofu and egg that's perfect for a speedy lunch. Sometimes, with summer getting too oppressive with its humidity, you need a sharp, bitter flavor to truly awaken your palate.
Definitely bitter melon. It's good. Tastes like the real thing.
Sometimes, despite all your efforts, you simply have to yield to the unpredictable power of nature. This July, with unusually persistent summer storms, our gardens were saturated for days by endless rain. This relentless downpour proved too much for one of our newest plant experiments. The heavy rains caused all of our honeydew melons to burst prematurely. To put salt in the wound, the sudden smell of a honeydew-like nectar proved to be too tempting for some of the hungrier critters.
So good.
So keeping an eye on the watermelon. I think they might be ready to mix it.
However, not all was lost. Learning from the devastating raids of previous years, when crows ruined our watermelon and monkeys and civets left unsavory evidence of their visits, we were better prepared. This year, with our honeydew melon mistake, we took a more proactive approach. We managed to protect our watermelons using layers of cut grass to shelter them from aerial predators.
They got pretty big.
We also added a protective perimeter to safeguard our harvest from both garden-level critters and threats from the sky.
Let's put this one in the middle. Oh, just sliding in there. Giant. Garden's out of control.
Another thing to remember is that plants, much like life itself, doesn't always adhere strictly to our plans. Even with the most carefully chosen seeds, nature has its own whimsical way of surprising you. A phenomenon we witnessed firsthand from one of our neighbor's zucchinis.
先っちょ直れてらんかったらじゃないとダメ。よいしょ。はい。硬いか柔いか。柔らかい。こうやって入れた。ああ。こんなもん。そんなに味だけど。びっくりするほどではないんで美味しいです。普通のズッキーニの方が美味しいかもしれない。そう。はい、取って帰って食べて。3、4、5個、6個。6な元の方かなら。まだ何よ。本番炒めて食べろ。
On the topic of perplexing squashes, this year we planted kabocha. Yet the harvest revealed something that simply didn't match what we had envisioned.
Oh my god. Holy smokes. What is that?
Wait a second. That came from a kabocha plant.
Yeah. Turns out it's not really a kabocha.
Neat.
Feels like a giant zucchini.
And finally, the most humbling lesson we learned is that even with years of past experience, there is still a lot we have to learn. No matter how much effort we pour in, some things feels like they defy explanation. Many of our harvested soybeans came out flat and lifeless. Similarly, one of our peanut plants withered, though we did manage to collect some of the legumes. The constant, relentless rain was particularly hard on our chili peppers. Despite our best efforts, the plants just seemed to wither and fade. We seriously have no idea what happened here. So if you have any ideas, please leave them in comments below.
Okie. Yeah. These all feel kind of flat to me. Let's see. We'll cook them up.
Despite its many shortcomings and our plans to do things differently next year, our garden was rarely a source of frustration. And everything we learned this year will carry over to the next. So, what are your biggest gardening pain points? And which of these lessons have you learned and experienced yourself? Let us know in the comments below.
Want to take a look at this watermelon pancake?
As always, a big thank you to our amazing subscribers and everyone who has already hit that like button.
Keeping your
If you'd like to see an extended voiceover-free version of this video, you can find it and other videos like it on my Patreon. We'll see you next time.
This eggplant.
Bye.
Nice deep inside position. Moving on, we have Haku Ho undefeated against Ura 1-0. Inside position.
Oh, it's red. That's a good sign, right?
Yeah.
Look at that beauty. Holy. Oh, it smells good. Yeah, it does.
Tastes like watermelon.
It's like watermelon.
Options. It's lovely. And but.
Aren't those clips in the package meant for this? That is exactly what they're for. No, it's not. Okay. Let's try them out.